Kia maabitha ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ya Meru nikiheyanite notithi ya kuiga miro thii, wona thirikari ya kaunti-ini yaga kuhingia makaya mao kwa ihinda rĩa thiku 21.
We have issued a strike notice because of several complaints that we have been engaging the county officers to have them resolved to no avail. One is the discrimination of clinic officers, whereby it has been clearly been shown by discriminative promotions and also corrupt deals that are happening in that department and also in the Department of Finance.
Maabitha maugite thirikari no ndikoretwo igithingatithia ngirimiti yao ya nyongerera micaara undu umwe na kuhaicio ngathi kwa maabitha amwe aria makinyaniire ikiro.
There have been failure to remit these deductions for the last 12 months, which equates to almost 36 million, which we don't know where it has gone, which is very illegal, and we are complaining against that because there's no law that allows an officer to give himself powers to redirect any finances budgeted and approved for payment of a particular service.
Maabitha ya riu ni muritie ngavana wa kaunti-ini Kiraitu Murungi kuthingatithia makaya mao niguo gutigira uritu wira wa muingi ni wakinyanira Meru. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, niĩ njĩtagwo Ngugi wa Gatua.